packing for a trip can feel like a puzzle. Did you know that 65% of travelers overpack, according to a study by the Global Travel Association? Or that the average person forgets 20% of essential items? These shocking numbers show that packing smarter isn't just about convenience, it's about enhancing your travel experience. In this guide, we'll reveal 9 strategies to boost your packing efficiency. From the art of rolling clothes to the magic of packing cubes, we'll cover tips that will change the way you pack forever. You'll discover how to travel light, keep your tech gadgets organized, and even save room for souvenirs. Each chapter is packed with unique facts, practical advice, and real-life quotes from seasoned travelers. Ready to revolutionize your packing game? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a hassle-free, efficient packing experience. Stay tuned for some game-changing tips that will make your next trip smoother and more enjoyable. Chapter 1. The Art of Rolling. Maximize space with every fold. Rolling your clothes is a game-changer for packing. Did you know that rolling can save up to 30% more space than traditional folding? It's a technique often used by military personnel to maximize their limited packing space. Start by laying your clothes flat, then fold in the sides, and roll tightly from the bottom up. This method not only saves space but also keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. Many seasoned travelers swear by this technique. According to a survey by Travel Plus Leisure, 56% of frequent flyers use the rolling method. One frequent traveler said, "Rolling my clothes has been a revelation. I fit so much more in my suitcase now." Try rolling your t-shirts, jeans, and even dresses. You'll be amazed at how much more you can pack. If you have delicate fabrics, roll them with tissue paper to prevent creases. This tip is endorsed by fashion experts. Another bonus? Rolled clothes fit perfectly into small corners of your suitcase. Use every inch of space efficiently. Remember, the goal is to pack smarter, not harder. Chapter 2. Cubing Up, the Power of Packing Cubes. Packing cubes are a traveler's best friend. These lightweight organizers help you separate your clothes and keep your suitcase tidy. In a study by Consumer Reports, packing cubes were found to reduce packing time by up to 25%. They come in various sizes, perfect for different types of clothing. For example, use a large cube for your tops, a medium one for bottoms, and a small one for underwear and socks. One traveler noted, "Packing cubes transformed my packing process. I can find everything quickly now." Plus, they make repacking easier if you're hopping from place to place. Want to keep your shoes separate? Use a dedicated cube for them. This keeps dirt away from your clothes. Many packing cubes are also water-resistant, protecting your belongings from spills. Some even come with compression features to save more space. Investing in packing cubes can streamline your travel prep and keep you organized. Chapter 3. Travel Light, Travel Smart, Essentials Only. Overpacking is a common mistake. A study by OnePoll found that 62% of travelers don't use 25% of the items they pack. The solution? Stick to essentials. Start by making a list of must-have items. Think versatile clothes that you can mix and match. One traveler advises, pack items that serve multiple purposes. It's all about versatility. Choose clothes that can be dressed up or down. A simple black dress can work for both casual outings and fancy dinners. Stick to a neutral color palette to easily mix and match. For toiletries, go for travel-sized products. Many stores sell mini versions of popular items. Another tip is to wear your bulkiest items on the plane. This saves space in your suitcase. And don't forget about laundry. Many hotels offer laundry services, or you can pack a small detergent to wash clothes in your room. The key is to pack what you need, not what you think you might need. Remember, traveling light makes your journey easier and less stressful. You'll move through airports faster and have less to carry. One frequent traveler said, "Traveling light is liberating. I can focus on enjoying my trip instead of managing my luggage." Keep your packing list tight and efficient, and enjoy a hassle-free travel experience. Before we continue, if you're loving what you're watching, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Chapter 4. Tech-Savvy Packing, Gadgets and Gear. Packing your tech gadgets efficiently can save you both time and hassle. Did you know that the average person travels with at least 3 electronic devices? A study by Skyscanner found that 88% of travelers carry smartphones, laptops, and cameras. To keep things organized, start by using a tech organizer. These handy cases have compartments for cords, chargers, and small gadgets. One traveler mentioned, "A tech organizer keeps all my cables in one place. No more digging around my bag." Also, consider multi-port chargers to reduce the number of plugs you need. This can save space and keep your bag lighter. For added convenience, use a power bank to keep your devices charged on the go. Remember to protect your gadgets. Use padded cases for fragile items like laptops and cameras. A good tip is to download all necessary apps and entertainment before you leave. This saves on data costs and ensures you're prepared even if Wi-Fi is scarce. Another interesting fact is that some modern suitcases now come with built-in charging ports. Chapter 5. Wearable Wardrobe, Multifunctional Clothing. Choosing multifunctional clothing can drastically cut down on what you need to pack. Did you know that 67% of travelers overpack because they bring too many single-use items? Opt for clothes that can serve multiple purposes. A simple scarf, for instance, can be used as a blanket, a cover-up, or even a pillow on long flights. Invest in reversible clothing. Reversible jackets and tops offer two looks in one piece. A traveler shared, "My reversible jacket is a lifesaver. It's like having two jackets without the extra bulk." Look for clothing made from quick-dry fabrics. These are perfect for washing on the go and can be worn again quickly. Convertible pants are another great option. They can switch from long pants to shorts, making them versatile for different climates. Layering is key too. Bring lightweight layers that can be combined for warmth or worn separately in warmer weather. This approach is not only efficient but also stylish. Chapter 6. Tiny Toiletries. Minimize your bathroom bag. Packing toiletries can be tricky, but with the right strategies, you can minimize your bathroom bag. According to a report by Condé Nast Traveler, 54% of travelers forget essential toiletries. Start by making a checklist of your must-have items. Opt for travel-sized products to save space. Many brands offer mini versions of their popular items. One traveler noted, "Switching to travel-sized toiletries made a big difference. My bag is so much lighter now." Use a clear, zippered bag for your liquids to make security checks a breeze. Another smart move is to consolidate products. For example, a shampoo and conditioner in one bottle saves space and weight. If you have favorite products that don't come in travel sizes, buy reusable travel containers. These allow you to bring smaller amounts of your preferred items. Also, consider solid toiletries like bar shampoo and soap. They last longer and don't count towards your liquid limit. Don't forget items like a compact toothbrush and toothpaste. Pack only what you need for the trip. If you're staying at a hotel, check if they provide toiletries. Many do, which can save you from packing those items. A frequent traveler said, "I always check the hotel amenities. It saves so much space in my bag." Remember, the goal is to travel light and smart. Chapter 7. Shoe Solutions, Packing Footwear Like a Pro. Packing shoes can be a real challenge due to their size and shape. A study by Trivago found that 40% of travelers struggle with fitting shoes into their luggage. The key is to limit the number of pairs you bring. Aim for versatile options. One traveler suggested, "I always pack a pair of comfortable walking shoes and a dressier option." It covers most scenarios. Use shoe bags or old shower caps to keep shoes from dirtying your clothes. Stuff smaller items like socks or accessories inside your shoes to save space. This not only uses up otherwise wasted space but also helps shoes keep their shape. Try placing heavier shoes at the bottom of your suitcase near the wheels to maintain balance. Consider packing foldable or lightweight shoes. Brands now offer shoes that are designed to be compact for travel. One frequent traveler said, "My foldable flats are a game changer. They take up almost no space." If you need to bring boots, wear them during transit to save space in your luggage. Packing shoes efficiently can make a huge difference in your overall packing strategy. Chapter 8. Snack Attack, Healthy Travel Treats on the Go. Packing your own snacks is not only healthier but also more cost-effective. According to a report by the TSA, 25% of travelers bring snacks with them. Choose non-perishable items that are easy to pack and eat. Nuts, dried fruits, and granola bars are great options. They're nutritious and can curb hunger between meals. One traveler shared, "I always pack a mix of nuts and dried fruit. It's my go-to travel snack." Consider portioning snacks into small bags to control portions and make them easy to grab. Another tip is to bring a reusable water bottle. Many airports have filling stations, which saves money and reduces plastic waste. If you're traveling with kids, pack a variety of snacks to keep them entertained and satisfied. One mom mentioned, "Having a variety of snacks keeps my kids happy during long flights." For longer trips, think about bringing a small cooler bag for fresh items like cheese or yogurt. This can be especially useful for road trips. Chapter 9, Souvenir Space. Leave room for memories. When traveling, it's always tempting to bring back souvenirs. A survey by World Travel Market found that 70% of travelers buy souvenirs during their trips. To avoid overstuffing your luggage on the return trip, plan ahead. Leave some space in your suitcase for these items. One seasoned traveler advised, "I always pack a collapsible bag. It's perfect for bringing home extra items." Consider packing less on your way out to ensure you have room for souvenirs. Another strategy is to ship items back home. Many travelers find this easier than carrying them around. For fragile items, use clothing or other soft items to cushion them in your luggage. This can help prevent damage during transit. When choosing souvenirs, opt for lightweight and compact items. Things like jewelry, scarves, or small art pieces are great choices. One traveler said, "I look for unique, small items that remind me of the place but don't take up much space." If you're bringing back gifts, keep in mind any customs regulations to avoid issues at the border.